Hey friends, how's it going today? Welcome back to the den with me, Justin, the Red Island Shaver. So today, very hot here on the Red Island, and I mean hot, uncomfortably hot, and well, I don't have air conditioning, so yeah, perfect day for this soap. I've been holding on to this and for quite a while, just waiting for this day, and this day is here because I need it today. So, first Canadian Mojito Chill. So, I froze this sample for about an hour because this is a really soft soap, as a lot of you guys know. So, with these soft soaps in the plastic baggies, freeze them for about an hour or so, and they kind of they don't fully solidify, but they get hard, solid enough you can work with them. Just rip open the baggie and smush it into the bowl. So, we'll give her a big old sniff. Yeah. I never had a mojito, but this is what I imagine one would smell like. Mint, lime, and according to the menthol levels, pain. So, we shall see. Quickly wet the face. With cold water. This is going to be a cold water shave today. And we'll get lathering up. So, got the Matty Lindholm brush. 24mm Magger, not soaking in cold distilled water today. And yeah, I'll just get right in here and load this up. And this solidified actually nicely to the point where I can easily load it off the sample too. So yeah, and this may have lost a little bit of its zing. I don't know. We're going to find out when we start lathering it up. The sample is about a year old. But I do have the splash. I have a sample of the splash, and I'm almost positive that has lost none of its zing. Because, well, the label's worn off, and when I was looking at the label, I thought, I'm pretty sure this is Mojito Chill. And when I smelt it, my eyes started watering and my nose burned, so pretty sure that's it. Anyway, hope everybody's having a good weekend. Mine's going good. Did some tracking yesterday on my songs. I did some drum tracks. I kind of figured out how to use this recording app with an acoustic drum kit without mics. And it worked not too bad once I turned all the sensitivities down. And I realized my guitar playing was horribly out of tempo. So I had to get out the old metronome and figure out all the time signatures for the stuff I'm working on. And then re-recorded everything with a metronome in time. So that looks good there. So I think tomorrow I'm going to do drum tracks tomorrow afternoon. Is what I reckon I'm going to do. Alright, get this onto the face and see how cold it is. Not too bad yet. I was kind of expecting for a wave of it to hit me. Smells nice. A little bit of tingle there. A little bit of tingle. Let's see what happens once we start adding some water to it. Like I said, this may have lost a bit of potency. Oh well. So yeah, hopefully we'll do some drum work tomorrow. My neighbors will be home as usual, but every Sunday my next door neighbor / landlord goes outside with his power tools and he builds shelves from 8 o'clock in the morning till 10 o'clock at night. And then his kids are playing piano and running around and yelling and screaming. So I said, you know what, the hell with it. I got some musical work I got to do. If they're going to be noisy, I'm going to be noisy. So I'm just going to get on the drum kit, put my noise cancelling headphones on, and just go to town. So yeah, so I'm not really feeling much of a tingle off this, to be honest. I'm not feeling really any tingle. So I'm wondering if it's lost its potency. The scent is nice though. Definitely a nice scent. Not too strong. Like I said, I think got lather going everywhere here. I think this sample did get zapped a little bit. I think is what happened. That's okay. I am feeling a little bit of a tingle though. It's in the background. So the razor for today is all going to be from First Canadian, the gold dollar 200. The Vortex scales, figured this is fitting for today. A cool shave, a cool razor. And away we go. Very nice. Gotta be careful not to use any pressure. I haven't been using straights too often lately. Very good. Nice first pass. Stuff is still slick as all get out though. Very, very slick. I was expecting a little bit more of the menthol. So this really doesn't have any at all. I'm kind of a little disappointed on that, but that's my own fault for letting the sample sit for so long, maybe. Because it's not like it was sitting in the original container. It was sitting in a just in a sample baggie with a whole bunch of other samples. I bet you the soap underneath that's probably gold as hell. The soap sample, but anyway. The performance and the scent are very, very nice. I guess that's all that matters at the end of the day, isn't it? I want to give a big shout out to my good friend Johan over at Shave and Butcher. This is 1 year on YouTube. Congratulations on that, my friend. I can feel a bit of a tingle on this. I really do. It's starting to kick in a little bit, but it's not the epic cold it should be, but there's definitely still some in there. I really do like the scent though. I think this is a tub. I think this is a soap I would definitely go for. I'll get an idea from the splash just how mentholated this is anyway. And then we'll go for the pass that I absolutely hate. Well, the straight anyway. Very nice slick soap though. I think I only have 2 days of growth, I think. Yeah, just 2 days of growth. I had a good week's worth of growth. A week or a week and a bit on Thursday. Shaved that off, man. I'm telling you, that felt so nice. And I'll just do a quick clean up here with the curve. Just 1 second. I gotta take the glasses off and get rid of the sweat. It is really hot in here. I got the window open here in the bathroom and there's no breeze coming through whatsoever. Great residual slickness on this though. So the performance-wise, the soap hasn't been altered any. It's just the menthol. It's dissipated a bit. That's okay. Face is a bit burning though, and not from irritation. More so from the menthol that's in that. It could be just it's so freaking hot, I'm not even feeling it too, I don't know. But here is the splash. And I know this is definitely mentholated, so see how this feels. Of course, gotta be careful here, there's no restrictor. Is that the right one? No, it's not. That was the wrong one. Oh my God, that's what happens when you don't read. I gotta get rid of that. That wasn't mentholated, that was blood avdrecki. Smells good though. That is my bad. That's what happens when you can't see what you're doing. Where did I put that splash? I know I put it over here. Oh, I didn't. I did not move it. There. That's the one we're looking for. I was going to say that because that one didn't burn and that should have burned. I should have felt that one. Let's see how well the remnants of blood avdrecki work with Mojito chill. Alright, moment of truth. Whew. Yep. Oh, there we go. Woo! I can see. I can see. No, I'm just kidding. I can't. Oh my. That is definitely mentholated. Oh, it smells great too. It smells like I walked up to some very attractive young lady at a bar and said something very not nice, and she threw a ice cold mojito in my face. Yeah, that smells very good. It's a little bit tingly now. It kind of burns at first because it's so mentholated. Now it's starting to cool a little bit. All in all, very nice. So that was the shave, guys. So the Mojito Chill. I know the full strength soap in the tub is definitely. It is definitely a cold soap on the face. I have Polar Vortex in the tub, and that one has maintained its chill. So I would say that's just due to being a sample and sitting in something other than its original container for so long. Splash is definitely held up though. Yeah, it's definitely getting cold in the face now. Very nice scent though, if you like mojitos. The lime, the mint, definitely something you want to look for. The performance, as with every First Canadian, is great. So that's the shave for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and there'll be another video either Wednesday or next Saturday. So have a great weekend, everybody. As always, friends, have a great day and even better shave. Catch you in the next one. Bye.